This year, the HK Mega Show doesn't just bring you the best of Asian products, it's a testament to the region's manufacturing prowess and design excellence. Explore the diverse categories, from gifts, premiums to the latest in toys, baby products, and everything in between. What is HK Mega Show? It's where global buyers meet the world's largest array of Asian-made products under one roof. Dive into the latest trends, network with industry leaders, and get a first-hand look at the future of consumer goods. Whether you're a retailer, distributor, or simply a product enthusiast, this is your gateway to the most exciting products from Asia. Don't miss out on the experience. As a buyer, here's how you can participate in the HK Mega Show. Pre-register. Visit the official website to pre-register, which will get you a badge and the latest updates about the show. Upload your business card. During registration, upload your business card with accurate information including email address, mobile number, and corresponding address. Apply for free hotel stay. If you're interested in the tonight free hotel stay program, apply for it during registration. Business matching. Indicate your interest in participating in business matching activities when you pre-register. Get confirmation. After completing pre-registration, the organizers will review it within 2 working days and send you a better registration confirmation. Sponsorship opportunities. Eligible buyers may be offered a cash sponsorship subsidy of up to $100 for transportation and hotel expenses on first-come, first-served basis. Understand the show dates. The Mega Show Part 1 in 2024 will be held from October 20th to 23rd. Visit the show's official website for more details. Visit the Mega Show official website. Review the product categories. Familiarize yourself with the product categories that interest you, including gifts and premiums, home and kitchen products, toys and baby products, Christmas and festive items, and sports goods. Arrange your schedule. Plan your trip and accommodation in advance to ensure you can attend the show on time. Remember to bring plenty of business cards, as they are essential for networking. Have a great buying experience at the